Hi, I'm Micaela and I'm the animator and videographer at Aerobotics. So basically my job is to create all the video content for our social media platforms and for our marketing team. So I will conceptualize, I will go out and video and create those images, and then I'll bring them back and edit them all together. So the whole process. I also deal with some sound, and I also sometimes take photos. So most of the images that you will see online will be taken by me. I started at Aerobotics on the 2nd of February as an intern, and then I did a 3-month internship, and I just became a permanent member of Aerobotics. So the company is very young, very vibrant, and I think that's definitely my favorite part about working at Aerobotics. Being able to be around people who are as passionate about what they do as what I am, it's really inspiring and exciting. So it's not a department, it's part of a department, it's more of a job. It's the UX design part of product, okay? So basically it's the person who makes up the entire user experience for the app. He's a UX designer, and obviously since I'm creative and I like video, I also like designing, so I think that would be a perfect fit for me. And it's obviously the most interesting to me because it's so close to my current field. Definitely the growth in the company, that's the most exciting part, being able to expand into America, and for me, hopefully getting the opportunity to go to America and get some new footage, get a new perspective, and hopefully some new content for our social media pages and for our video content. I love plants. I've got so many plants in my house. I can't even count how many. So I'm really in touch with plants and with nature. But I definitely think if I were to be a plant, I would be a cactus, because it's all prickly and hard on the outside, maybe a little bit scary to most people. But on the inside, it's really soft and succulent, and it holds a lot of water, and it keeps itself alive even in really rough terrains and rough situations.